Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix can't you import MP4 in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Even though DaVinci Resolve supports MP4 files, not every MP4 uses a codec that Resolve can read properly. If you're having trouble importing an MP4 file, a simple solution is to convert it to a more widely supported codec, such as H.264. One free tool that can do this is VLC Media Player. Start by opening VLC Media Player. Once it's open, click Media and then select Convert or Save. In the File tab, click Add and choose the video file that isn't importing into DaVinci Resolve. After selecting the file, click the drop-down menu next to Convert or Save and choose Convert. On the next screen, locate the Profile section and select a profile that uses H.264 video with MP4 output. This format is widely supported and works well with DaVinci Resolve. Next, click Browse and choose where you want to save the converted file. Once everything is configured, click Save and then click Start. VLC will begin converting the video to the new format. After the conversion is complete, return to DaVinci Resolve and import the newly created file. In most cases, the video will import successfully because it now uses a codec that DaVinci Resolve supports. And that's it! So that's basically how you can fix can't you import MP4 in DaVinci Resolve. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!